Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a thumbnail template for Fortnite. Season 4 just came out, so this is going to be a Season 4 template for you guys. It looks really clickbaity, so that's perfect because you want people to click on your video. So I will also post a Photopea link in the description below. So if you use Photoshop, just download the Mediafire link, and if you use Photopea, just use the Photopea link and then do whatever you want with it. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go down in the description below to the link that says Fortnite Template. Just click on that. It'll take you to mediafire.com, and it should look like this. So now what you want to do is you want to hit download, and it should pop up down here, right here. And you'll know once it's done downloading. Close out the ad, just don't click on anything, and then go back to Photopea, make it smaller, and drag that to your desktop. And right here, I'm also doing a graphics pack soon, so look out for that. It's going to be for thumbnails. It's going to have the borders, the effects, everything, so stay tuned for that. And so now we have our PSD on the desktop. So now what you're going to want to do is just go up to File, Open. So go to your desktop. It should be somewhere on your desktop, so just click on it and it'll open it right here like it did. So now here you can edit everything, so you can hide the border, the lightning, it's up to you. It's not that clean, but you get the idea. If you want to edit the text, just click on it, double click on the text, and you can type in whatever you want. It's up to you. So edit the text, do whatever you want. You can add your own things to it, but this is a start. You can add a different background, just get rid of this one. So now once you're at this point, you can just go up to File. So once you're done editing your picture and you have done everything, you could just go up to File, Export as PNG. Make sure the quality is at 100%, and you want the width to be 1280 by 720, which it should be, and just hit save. So now it's down here somewhere in your downloads folder, and when you make your video, you could just apply it on there. So hopefully this helped you guys. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. I made a Patreon. I'm going to make a video on that soon, so look out for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.